Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, June 6th. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see my computer clock on my right. Today we're recording the video at 1080p, Full HD, 1920 by 1080, so you'll be able to see our videos in higher resolution. So on my right is my computer clock, on my left is the time of sales, the Emini S&P, currently trading at 2772. Pretty sharp move to the upside today, and we had great performance on the Autotrader. First up is the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick, and you very clearly see three trades here. This one has a goal of 2500 on this one, and it hit its goal and had a tick of slippage. And trading was finished in the first couple of hours of trading. So again, the DAX continues its strength, and the Autotrader continues to impress with the DAX. Okay, this is the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick with a $2,000 goal, and this has a limit order with 4-tick pullback. The previous chart has a limit order with a 1-tick pullback, so the trades are, fairly similar here. And you can see them here. This one probably did a little better because just more of a pullback, and you can see it on the bars here, our limit fill, versus the other chart with a 1-tick pullback. The fill isn't quite as good as here. So you can see how much difference a limit order makes, and you can see price traded through our limit fill, so that's pretty accurate. And if I make these candlesticks, you can see a little different look here. But anyway, we hit our goal on this, and obviously there was a burst of action here because we had pretty strong positive slippage of $112. So again, on the DAX. Okay, showing the mid-cap on 150 Heikin-Ashi chart. And this, well, it came shy of its goal. Goal is 1500, we did 1260, so we probably got trail stopped out somewhere along the line here. And you can see the indicator performance here. This caught this entire move, the precision trend indicator. Really nice here, and then even going back. Very nice signals on the BWT trend indicator. Okay, next is the DAX on a 34-tick line break, and this has a goal of 2,000, so we had a couple of ticks positive slippage here. And you can kind of see the trades here. This was moderately active today. Started off with a drawdown, what looks to be about $500 or so. 250 a contract. It was a down, up day into our goal. And so all these trades add up. But generally, again, the DAX hitting its goal, line break, working really well in the Autotrader. Okay, the ES on a regular 5 Renko chart, and this has a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 6-tick and a goal of 1750, so well shy of its goal, but nevertheless still on the plus side of the ledger, doing 762.50. Okay, next is the crude oil on a 1-minute line break chart, and this did 630 for the day. It was up, down, and then up, and a couple of trades here. Just looks like 4 trades, 2 winners and 2 losers, finishing at 630 on 2 contracts on a regular line break chart. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 7-tick had half a dozen trades or so, and obviously the winners were bigger than the losers here, and this ended up at 600 on 2 contracts. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4-tick chart. With a $700 goal, did 600, so just shy of its goal. And here's our goal is actually 750. This is our template here. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4-tick with a Super Renko 6 higher time frame. This is our template here. Our goal on this is 1,050. And this came just shy of our goal, but still a pretty nice performance using our higher time frame filter. Okay, moderately active on the crude oil 987 tick chart. And this had numerous swings up and down, but closed what looks like its equity high at 610 for the day. This was trading 3 contracts, and you can see the positions here on this last trade. Looks like a limit order at the close of the bar, and that's exactly what it is here. Okay, a modest gain on the gold contract, a loser, and then a winner here brought us to the plus side of 270, trading 2 contracts. Okay, the DAX on 150 Heikin-Ashi chart had a modest gain of 350, but had an equity high of nearly 2,000 here. So this is kind of a shame. The goal here is 2550, so it came shy of its goal and almost hit it. So really, this kind of thing shouldn't happen, but keep in mind my goals on these charts are kind of arbitrary, and of course I could easily set this at 2,000, and if the goal was 2,000, it probably would have been hit here. Also, this chart is a limit order with an 8-tick pullback. Perhaps if I lowered that, we might have got filled on these bigger swings and improved our performance. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 2-tick with a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 4-tick. Here's our template. Our goal on this is 750, so just a couple of points on this overall. We started off with a drawdown of about $600 or $300 per contract. We had 2 losers here, but then came back with this pretty solid winning trade here. And you can see how the higher time frame filters out these swings in the other direction indicated by the red bars. Okay, the NASDAQ on the 987 Heikin-Ashi tick chart. While the NASDAQ didn't knock it out of the park today, the equity high here was a little over $600, and then we drew down about 800 and came back to finish at 330. But still, the NASDAQ continuing its winning streak and closing positive. Same is true for the NASDAQ on the 1597 Heikin Ashi. This drew down about 350 per contract and then had a couple of nice winners here to close positive at plus 190. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.